Every day, hundreds of watermelons tumble into the facility, fresh from the fields and straight onto the line for cleaning. Thousands of pounds of mangoes arrive daily. Caked in the rich soil of the orchard, they move quickly toward the washers. Fresh from the fields, these berries are covered in rich soil. Now they enter the first stage of the cleaning process. The journey begins as the freshly harvested melons hit the flume. High-powered jets blast away the thickest mud.
The high-pressure wash guarantees a perfect shine. Every single melon is blasted clean before it reaches your table.
Once harvested, the fruit enters the wash cycle. High-speed jets ensure every mango is perfectly clean before shipping. Rising from the dirty bath, these mangoes are blasted by powerful freshwater jets. The high-pressure spray reveals their vibrant yellow skins as well. Watch as the powerful jets blast away the dirt. In seconds, these muddy berries are transformed, revealing the vibrant red washed in a cascade of cold water, ensuring peak freshness for your table. A final high-volume rinse rains down from the nozzles. These spotless watermelons roll down the conveyor, now ready for peeling and processing. This final, pressurized water cascade removes any remaining residue, ensuring only the cleanest fruit moves on to the peeling station. Utilizing high-speed centrifugal force, the automated peeler slices the rind away, revealing the vibrant red fruit beneath. Pushed by steel prongs, the mangoes meet the circular blades. The skin is rapidly sliced away in perfect ribbons, revealing the vibrant flesh beneath. Watch as the peeled mangoes are forced through the spinning dicer. The solid fruit is instantly transformed into hundreds of perfect, bright orange cubes.
Change this script into a natural American English native voice. Short sentences, fast pace, emotional emphasis, not robotic.
The twin-screw auger makes quick work of the fresh mango, reducing the solid fruit to a smooth, vibrant puree in seconds. Utilizing advanced blade technology, every rind is removed, leaving behind these flawless, faceted spheres ready for the dicer. Look at that! Perfectly diced every single time. These cubes are ready for the next stage, ensuring maximum freshness. The industrial masher processes thousands of pounds an hour. The blades spin at incredible speed, turning. Here at the heart of the machine, a waterfall of strawberries meets the spinning blades, instantly transforming them into a rich, vibrant puree.
Change this script into a natural American English native voice. Short sentences, fast pace, emotional emphasis, not robotic.
3 separate stainless steel troughs carry these vivid rivers of fruit puree: thick yellow mango, frothy bright red watermelon, and chunky dark red strawberry. We use high-frequency vibration to separate the seeds and skin from the rich, flavorful juice, ensuring a perfectly smooth texture every time.
Thick, rich, and intensely flavorful, we slowly churn the finest mangoes to create this perfect puree. Taste the tropics.
The crystallization process begins as the fine granules hit the rapidly spinning vortex. This precise measurement ensures the perfect sweetness is where the magic happened. A torrent of sugar meets the rich, vibrant mango puree, churned slowly to absolute perfection. Change this script into a natural American English native voice. Short sentences, fast pace, emotional emphasis, not robotic. Capable of filling thousands of units an hour, this line ensures every popsicle mold receives the exact amount of filling before moving swiftly to the freezer. This machine can insert thousands of sticks per hour with pinpoint accuracy. This is a cinematic shot of the mango filling station, where another set of automated nozzles rapidly squirts precise amounts of thick, creamy. Savor the ultimate mango experience. Our state-of-the-art process guarantees perfect texture and flavor in every single bar, every time. The process is mesmerizing. Perfectly uniform molds, vibrant red and yellow liquid, gliding smoothly towards the molds race down the line, plunging into the cryogenic freezer, where liquid nitrogen flash freezes them instantly, locking in the flavor. The deeply frosted molds are rapidly lowered into the circulating warm water. The thermal shock instantly melts the exterior frost, preparing them for extraction. The gripper bar descends precisely, securing the sticks before the perfectly formed watermelon popsicles are swiftly extracted from their frosty molds. Loosened by a fine mist of warm water, The automated gripper lifts the popsicles, preserving their vibrant, frosty texture. Perfectly frozen fruit bars plunged into dark, melted chocolate. It's a match made in dessert heaven. As the frozen bars emerge, the warm, velvety chocolate cascades down, quickly hardening into that signature shell, locking in the freshness. We ensure every single popsicle meets our rigorous standards. The chocolate sets perfectly, creating that ideal crunch, ready for the next stage. These vibrant treats are moving fast, sealed instantly to lock in that fruity flavor. It's a symphony of speed and technology. Precision engineering meets refreshing flavor. The stamp comes down over 80 times a minute, ensuring every popsicle is perfectly wrapped. Fresh from the heat sealer, this endless stream of colorful fruit pops zips along the conveyor, approaching the automated boxing station at incredible speed.
Every hour, thousands of popsicles are perfectly packed by our synchronized systems, ensuring maximum freshness.
The boxing robot arm, redefining efficiency. Watch as it precisely grips and places these stacks at lightning speed. Change this script into a natural American English native voice. Short sentences, fast pace, emotional emphasis, not robotic. Zipping down the line, these vibrant new designs are ready for shipment. Our automated systems ensure speed and precision from the warehouse floor straight to the consumer. This is the heart of the operation. A heavy-duty palletizing robot swiftly moves hundreds of colorful boxes an hour, building perfect shipping stacks every time. And the robotic arm places another heavy layer of those bright orange mango popsicle boxes onto the tower, resting securely on the wooden pallet. Precision at work. These robotic systems ensure every watermelon box is perfectly placed, ready for shipment around the clock. In this state-of-the-art facility, these synchronized arms stack thousands of popsicles an hour. It's precision engineering delivering freshness straight to you.
Change this script into a natural American English native voice. Short sentences, fast pace, emotional emphasis, not robotic.
Securing the load is critical. The wrapper engages, ensuring every box is perfectly sealed and stabilized before shipment. In today's fast-paced world, you need solutions that keep up. Introducing the ultimate in secure packaging. Fully wrapped and moving fast, the final leg of the journey before heading into deep storage. This is logistics at the highest level.
Change this script into a natural American English native voice. Short sentences, fast pace, emotional emphasis, not robotic.
Change this script into a natural American English native voice. Short sentences, fast pace, emotional emphasis, not robotic.
Slates. What begins as a single popsicle quickly becomes part of an intricate ballet of machinery. Change this script into a natural American English native voice. Short sentences, fast pace, emotional emphasis, not robotic.